All right, so today the task at hand, we got Tommy here, and hey Tommy.
Hey.
We're gonna be doing a little repair on the old Toyota. Some rust, weld some stuff up, and we're gonna kind of see what we got. So the main goal here is really just get this support back on. We're gonna do flux core welding and see what we can do. First thing, we disconnect the terminal, the negative on the battery, just so we don't fry everything, right?
We don't want it to die.
No. And we're gonna start prepping the area and going from there. So we're just gonna clean this up the best we can, get some plate on there, and get this hanger back on, which is holding up the exhaust. And that should be all right. This other side, we did a while ago, and we can even touch that up too. So we actually got quite a bit of work here. Up here is pretty thin, so we'll have to do something with that. But we're at least gonna do plate from the bottom over. This is all real thick here. There's quite a bit of material, but I'd like to at least go, over to here, just to strengthen that up with some nice thick plate. We'll go onto this as well, and then we'll have to come up. But we'll have to come up on the side, but there is an angle we'll have to account for. So we're gonna start ripping into that. Grind it down pretty good. Still gotta get it a little bit more, but we want to get all this paint off so that our welds are good and clean. All right, so we got our 1/8 inch patch panel here. We're gonna cut this up and fit it on. See what we can do. Time to do more grinding. So there's quite a bit here. We're gonna have to do a few patch panels on this anyway. We're just trying to figure out how to make it all flat so we don't have too many gaps to fill. But yeah, yikes. Toyota dudes, what is going on here? Okay, we're all prepped up. We just have to check a couple things. I gotta grind a place so I can be grounded on the frame real good. So we got that to do. And then one more time, before we even think about welding, let's make sure that our terminal's disconnected. We put a glove over it just so it can't bump into anything and arc out or cause any issues. But we're getting there. We got all of our Toyota parts on the ground here. Turning into the dust of time.
Dude, how about that striper, man?
The striper?
So good, man.
Oh,
I don't eat fish, so that was like a fucking treat for me. That was so delicious.
Me and Greg, we were cooking after a while.
Oh, yeah.
We seasoned it so good.
You seasoned it perfect. All the breadcrumbs.
Yeah, that's how you fry it too. I don't know what
Oh, that was delicious.
around here.
See, that makes me want to go back really bad.
Yeah, we're definitely doing it again. I got a good position. I'm gonna grind that down.
What
time is it now?
4:20.
Oh, wow. Oh, 0.35.
That seems pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that seems sweet.
Okay. We're set up now.
The Cummins?
Harbor Freight.
Cummins. Harbor Cummins.
I might need you to mess with the wire speed. So just kind of hang out. Just don't look at the welding. I mean, you could be here, but just,
Don't look directly at the light, right? That's the deal, right?
what's that?
That's the deal, right? Don't look at the light.
Yeah, yeah. Too fast. Want to turn the speed down?
To what, 6.5?
6.
Okay.
Too fast. Turn it
5,
down to
5, 4.5.
Yeah. Oh, on the generator, there's a button that looks like a flower or a leaf. Hit it, so that's economy. Turn economy mode off, so it's full throttle all the time. All right, let's get this tack. I like that mask. It works.
Yeah, that's good.
Go 9. Mark 9 on that steel. So we are fully welded out. Couldn't get the top of that plate up there, but we may do something with it in the future. Just kind of grind everything, but the whole purpose of this was to get this bracket on. So we're gonna weld this on now, and we'll be in good shape. This sucker's welded up, brackets on, we're good to go. That was kind of the whole purpose of this whole project.
Yes,
just
that was
the main goal, just to kind of weld that, and it happened to be, frame happened to be a little bit more than we expected, but you know, as it rotted, but now it's better anyways. And that's it. We got paint on it. We're good to go. A lot better than it was. Had to grind some of these welds. It's flux, so it's not gonna look super pretty, but she is good to go. We got a little bit of dripping paint here, but I'm sure the welders of YouTube are really gonna love this. This repair is just kind of, you know, Johnny on the spot type of thing. It's by no means any crazy, you know, professional welding, but
thank you.
it is better than it was. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. And that's a wrap for today. time to clean up the mess. Really loving the shop. This is like the second repair I've done in here, or probably third. Let's see. We lifted one of my buddy's trucks, and then the other day did the brakes on one of my friend's trucks, and then now just did a little repair on my brother's truck. So stay tuned. Gonna try and get some more stuff. Inevitably, I'm always working on something, so it really works out with making videos and stuff. But if you liked it, then that's perfect. All right, we'll see ya.